Have you ever wondered how to collect more information on your HubSpot contacts? With PhantomBuster, you are able to enrich your contacts with new variables such as the job title, the job experience, the education, the company where your contacts are working. But for this, of course, you will need the LinkedIn profile URLs of your contacts. If it's something you are missing, you will see on this video how to collect the LinkedIn profile URL of your contacts just in 2 clicks, providing the first name, the last name, the company name of your contacts from HubSpot. The first step will be to create a list of contacts on your HubSpot account. As I did, and I'm sharing here on the screen, you can see that I have 5 contacts. For each of them, the first name, the last name, the professional email, and the company name. As soon as your list is ready, you can go on PhantomBuster, browse the solutions and select HubSpot, where you will select the Phantom called Get Your Contacts LinkedIn Profile URL. In the Profiles to Find, you will select your list. This one is called Find LinkedIn Profiles with 5 contacts. And then you will need to map the correct property where you want your LinkedIn profile URL to be filled on HubSpot. In this case, the LinkedIn profile URL. And then you just need to launch the Phantom. My Phantom finished running and I found the 5 profiles, as you can see here on the message. So I will open the profile on the 3rd line, which is mine, in order to check if it's the correct one. All right, so this is the correct profile. So I guess the Phantom was working pretty well on this one. If I come back on HubSpot and check my list, we can see that I have no contacts listed inside because I was creating a list with a filter LinkedIn profile URL is unknown. Now that my 5 contacts have a LinkedIn profile, they are not listed anymore on this list. But let's have a look. I will open the contacts and then check the contact of my name. I will click on View All Properties, search the LinkedIn profile URL, and you can see that the profile URL has been filled out thanks to this automation. So this is how to enrich your contacts with their LinkedIn profile. And we also have other automations that will allow you to enrich other key information, such as details on the experiences of your contacts, their education, their company industry, the company website, and so on. Take a look to the other videos I was uploading on HubSpot and feel free to ask any question you might have on the comments. Thank you for listening. Catch you in the next tutorial.